It's Kevin. The last time, we learned about the torque. So today, I'm going to be discussing the inclined torque. So let's have an example here. An inclined torque which has a 55-degree angle. So from this point, this is called the pivot point or the center. From the center to this edge, it has a 20 centimeter length. So this side, we have a 3 forces, which has 7 Newton, 3 Newton, which is 10 centimeter distance from the center, and 2 Newton, which is 5 centimeter distance from the center. We also have a upward force, which is 8 Newton, that is 8 centimeter distance from the center. In this side, we also have a force, a 3 force. So 5 Newton is a 3 centimeter distance from the center. And the 4 Newton is 5 centimeter distance from the center. And the F, or the unknown force, is 10 centimeter distance from the center. So let's solve. For our formula, summation of torque is equal to 0. So let's substitute. Guys, our sign is dependent on the rotation. So if the rotation is clockwise, it is positive. And if the rotation is counterclockwise, it is negative. So this, let's substitute. So F10 cosine 55. This is negative because it is counterclockwise. Minus 4 times 5 cosine 55 minus 5 times 3 cosine 55 plus 2 times 5 plus 3 times 10 plus 7 times 20 minus 5 times 8 is equal to 0. So negative F10 cosine 55 minus 11.47 minus 8.60 plus 10 plus 30 plus 140 minus 40 is equal to 0. So negative F10 cosine 55 plus 119.93 is equal to 0. Now, we will remove this here. So it will become 119.93 is equal to F10 cosine 55. So we need to remove this. So both sides, we will be dividing this into 10 cosine 55 and also this. So cancel. So the final answer is F is equal to 20.91. So this is the unknown